How's your bagel?
It's so good. It's a sandwich. Look how much cream cheese is in it. And I'm using it as a dipping stick to get the rest of the cream cheese out. You're making fun of me.
No.
It's so good.
What town are we in?
Klamath Falls
It's pretty cool.
in Oregon.
We just stopped at a Walmart. We got pub beer. It says cheap fun on the box, so we're gonna try it. It was like $12 for an 18 pack, which is not shabby at all. We're at Planet Fitness now. Gonna take a couple of showers, sandwiches for lunch, and we just saw a truck that looked exactly like Farm Truck from Street Outlaws. I'm not sure if it was or not, but it was cool.
Yeah. And we went to church this morning at this really cute little church in Mount Shasta.
St. Anthony's.
Yeah, and the people there were so nice.
Probably the nicest church we've been to, like the most welcoming.
Yeah, they were so nice. They, like, the priest had everybody who was visiting stand up, and there was like 3 couples or whatever, and say where they were from. And then, like, after church, we probably had 20 people stop and talk to us, and there was like 35 people in church, so it was just like...
Yeah, and they had beautiful stained glass.
Anyways, we're gonna eat our
Lunchtime.
sandwiches and stop talking to ourselves because people are looking at us.
Yeah, I think they're just looking at the van.
Trying out our new cookies.
Emperador.
Yeah,
They were cheap. They look pretty good.
they're made by Frito-Lay's. Get ready. There's 6 of these babies in this box, so we'll see. We also bought Oreos. We're going slowly insane on this trip,
I don't think so.
but we're happy and we're sugared up. Ooh. They smell good.
What do they look like? Show the camera.
They look like the box.
Very cool.
On the back they say E.
How do they taste? I want like that wine critic tasting guide. Is it oaky or mapley?
Definitely mapley.
Hints of vanilla and bourbon.
A little bit, yeah.
Chocolatey. A chocolatey start and finish. It's full-bodied.
They're sandwich cookies. They've got chocolate frosting in the middle too. They're not super sweet. They're a little sweet.
Could I try one? Thank you.
I would give these like a 6 out of 10. But they might grow on me. They're not bad. They're good. They're just kind of different.
I like them, yeah. All right, there you have it.
I'm happy. We just got to our campsite. We are camping in a national forest tonight. It is like maybe just after 4:30. The sunset is beautiful here. It is like just cotton candy colors. It's a really interesting landscape. There have been 2 forest fires in the last 2 years that came through here, so we are parked in a grove of burned up dead trees, but it's beautiful in its own kind of way. We have a fire permit and we're gonna have a campfire tonight. It's the first one that we've had, just the 2 of us, of this whole trip. Jake's a big campfire guy, but the last time we tried to make one, well, we haven't, first of all, been places where we couldn't make one because there's no kindling or anything, and we're not really people who buy firewood. Jake loves, like I said, Jake loves campfires. And I like them too, but Jake really likes them. He's out there right now. He's got it like roaring in seconds. Right now, I am cutting up all sorts of veggies. We're gonna do stir fry tonight. I should Google how to do fried rice. This broccoli is so fluffy. Oh my gosh, there's gonna be broccoli everywhere in here. It's gonna be monster stir fry. Oh, Jake looks really happy out there. Okey-dokey. Look what Jacob brought me.
Oreos.
An Oreo.